At one end of the old town, there is another example of Renaissance civil architecture. This is the former town hall, built at the end of the 16th century as a warehouse and center of public administration. The building has been renovated many times over the years, but some elements still stand out. One such comprises the archways at the front door. These ground floor areas were clearly trade-oriented, holding the butchers and market stalls. The street with the bakeries began across the way. Therefore, this was one of the main areas of economic activity for the people. The upper floors, currently exhibition rooms, had a dual purpose: trade and administration. Wheat was stored in one, and the others were used by the political and legal authorities as management spaces. The basements contained the old prison. On these walls there are old paintings featuring drawings of ships, supposedly drawn by captured pirates. These are currently covered and may not be visited. From the mid-19th century, the building housed the public schools, and later it was equipped to contain the council operative on site until 1981. It is currently the center for youth activities in Benissa.